Prima Patio Outdoor Furniture Sets. Enjoy the outdoors. Create your very own patio set today. Our top set is Winchester Edition. Prima Patio Outdoor Winchester Edition is a contemporary outdoor collection set. With lofty sponge, with padded 100% water-resistant cushions, and with wide and deep sofa chairs. It is designed to give you enough room to sit comfortably. This set is made with a strong anti-rust aluminum frame and with handcraft, all-weather wicker weaving, which does not rust, does not peel, nor fade. Maintaining them will be an easy task. You can be assured that you will still be cozying up on this conversation set with your family and friends. Choose a conversation set that will give you a great value for the money. Prima Patio Outdoor Winchester Edition is sure to provide you with such a value. With durable materials and easy maintenance, you will be having this furniture set for a long time. Prima Patio Outdoor Furniture Sets. Enjoy the outdoors. Create your very own patio set today.